Hello everyone, my name is Melissa and today I'm going to be showing you how to create an easy breezy eye look. This video is in collaboration with CoverGirl, so I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite CoverGirl products to create this look. All right, we're going to start off the look with this product right here. This is the CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow Microfine and Define Pencil. I'm using it in the color Soft Brown and we're just going to fill in our brows lightly with this. So using the spoolie end of this brow pencil, you just want to brush your brows out. And then wherever you see any little spaces, you want to use the brow pencil to fill those in. Once you get to the inner corners of the brows, I like to just lightly brush the pencil up. I love this brow pencil because it features an ultra fine tip. It's perfect for mimicking the look of fine hair and strokes, and there's no sharpening required. It's easy to apply and it has a really long wearing formula. Once you've applied the product everywhere that you want in your brows, you want to go back to the little spoolie end and start brushing that product into the brows. Now we're gonna move on to the eye look, and for that I'm using this palette from CoverGirl in the shade Shimmering Sands. It features the most beautiful colors that are super easy to work with. I love that this palette features 3 shades that are complementary to each other. The formula is very silky and soft and blends really beautifully. To start off the look, I'm gonna pick up the middle shade and blend that right into my crease back and forth until I think it looks perfect. So the 3 colors are really pretty, and like I said, they're complementary to each other and they have like this light shimmery effect to them. Next, I'm gonna go in with the color all the way to the left. It's a little bit of a darker color. As you can see, I'm just kind of blending it on the outer corner of my eye, making a V formation. And then finally, to finish off the look, we're gonna use the lightest shade in the palette, and I'm gonna actually use that shade in a couple of different ways. First, we're gonna place it right in the center of our eyes to make the look really pop, and then we're also gonna use it to highlight right underneath our brow bone. What I love about the Shimmering Sands palette is that it features a silky formula that contains soft, micro-sized powder particles, and it makes the blending application effortless. We're almost done with this eye look. The next product we're gonna be using is the CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus Eye Pencil. I have in the shade Onyx Black, and this pencil is so easy to use. The formula on this eye pencil is water resistant, so I'm actually gonna be placing this on the waterline. That way it just gives me a little bit of a bolder look, and it'll definitely take the look from day to night. This eye pencil is also super versatile, and then it has this soft blender tip that allows you to create smoky looks and just soften up the eye pencil. To finish up the look, we're gonna use mascara, and this mascara right here is one of the most iconic mascaras. This is the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara. What makes this mascara so iconic is that it has a brush that specifically is designed to reach each and every lash. You get 10 times the volume, it's smudge proof, clump proof, and best of all, it is a lightweight formula that creates a soft and full fan of lashes. This is the final look. It's definitely one of those looks that will take you from day to night, and I hope that you guys can recreate this easy breezy eye look for yourselves at home. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.